Did I ever told you that your smell is in my mind? Did I ever show you all your gifts I kept from the first time? Did you ever hurt my heart is beating just for you? Did you ever knew that these words reflect my inner truth? Have you ever lost yourself inside someone else's heart? Have you ever thought about to make me be a